Alright guys, welcome back. So I'm at the junkyard. So I'm going to pop the airbag out. So I'm going to show you how to get the airbag out of your steering wheel. So this is the airbag piece with the horn. So you're going to need a 10 socket. Now look for the hole at the side. Some of them have a stop in there. They have to remove that cover to see the bolt, but this one I have none in there. So let me pop these bolts. So you have one on each side, 10mm. Turn the other way. That's the stop in here that you have to remove that cover. So it's gonna give us a flat pine screwdriver. Get it out just like that, guys. That's it. Pop the other bolt. Right, so get out the other one. Two of them. And you pull the airbag out. There you go. So there's a clip. Now press this clip in. There it goes, right out just like that. Alright, here there are some clip that hold the airbag in. A black clip. I usually just pick it up, pry it up with a screwdriver, and it can pop all the way out just like that, guys. And there you go. So that's how you get out your airbag assembly from 2009 Nissan Maxima. So if you find this video useful, guys, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.